So today I'm going to take you through the all-new Ranger Wildtrak. This is the 2-litre bi-turbo, that's 2 turbos. I'll take you through the new facelift of it, so I'll go through the styling. We'll look in the cabin, take you through the infotainment system, and just go through the practicality and benefits of purchasing this vehicle. So, as I said, we'll go through the main styling changes. Now, with the exterior of the Ranger, not a lot has been changed. I mean, it was a great vehicle prior, no point in changing what doesn't need to be. So what they've done is they've done a split effect on the grille here, where previously solid. Also changed the mouldings of the fog lights, and we have this nice new sleek daytime LED running light. So like I say, as we go around, it's a familiar look, one that's been loved by many. But this particular Ranger that we have has had an accessory put on the back. Just one of the many that you can get. Obviously a lot of people are getting hard tops on the back of these Rangers. This is a hydraulic cover. The top just opens the back like a tailgate, and it's just easy access to the rear. So back onto the styling of the vehicle. As you see on the interior, we have changing seats. On the old one it was more orange. They've obviously dialed that down now, and you get more leather, but you still get the orange Wildtrak stitching throughout. It's a nice touch. You also get it on the dash, and if you ever forget what you're driving, it's plastered everywhere. You've got Wildtrak on the seats, on the dash, the mats. It's stickered on the outside as well. As I said, talking about practicality of the vehicle, a lot of these Rangers are now being used as family vehicles. I'm 5'8", 5'9" at a push, might tell people 5'10". But as you can see, plenty of headroom in the Ranger. I think even if you're reaching 6 foot, you'll be fine. Leg room as well, fine. Again, the driver's seat is in my seating position, but I've got plenty of room. So it's good for adults, but again, with it being a family, you might have kids in the back. Another benefit is they do come ISOFIX, just clip in the back, easy to install. This is a great looking vehicle. It's practical for whatever use you have. Let's have a look at how it drives. So, the drive of the new Ranger, how is it? Particularly the 2-litre bi-turbo engine. It's great. It's a massive difference from the 3.2. It's come a long way. It's smooth, it's responsive, and the new 2-litre is actually more powerful than the 3.2. It can pull out 213 PS as opposed to 200 PS in the 3.2. The new 2-litre engine as well is more economical, with it having a new 10-speed gearbox. Helps with your fuel economy as well as a smaller engine, and the 2 turbos providing the power. So the 3.2 6-speed auto is still available. Ford have left them both available and at the same price. So really it's just a case of personal preference to which you would like. Whether it's a case of driving them both and picking them, or if you still want that growling 3.2, like I say, it's still available at the same price. Another thing to mention with the 2-litre, obviously people think smaller engine, maybe you can't tow as much, but no, that's not correct. It actually has the same towing capacity as the 3.2, so you're not losing anything there either. I'm driving along just some back roads now, and as you can see, it's quiet and comfortable. You can hear me, I'm speaking, the engine isn't drowning me out. And these pickups now, Rangers in particular, they do a great job at feeling like a car. You could be towing something on the back, you could have a heavy load in the load bed, but when you're in the cabin up front, it just feels like you're driving another Ford car. This is a 4x4, it's a pickup truck, it's an off-road vehicle, so we had to test how it looked going through puddles, and of course, looks great. Just a couple more interior features that is worth mentioning. Now standard on the Wildtrak is the lockable rear diff. You also still get the hill descent assist, and again you have your rear wheel drive option down here, and then you can also go 4-wheel drive in 4 high or 4 low. Just make sure that when you're switching between them you are in neutral. Also, this vehicle does come with front and rear sensors and a rear camera, all standard, and I'll just show you what happens on the display. So your camera shows up, great quality camera, and your sensors are shown at front and rear, and they will progressively go green, then yellow, then red, with intensifying beeps to let you know how close you are getting to things. It's an off-road vehicle, and with the different drive modes, it'll get you out of any situation, whether you're in the hills or down by the shore with the tide coming in. A Ranger will get you out. This is our look at the all-new Ranger Wildtrak, a great vehicle. If you want to keep up to date with more videos like this, and when new ones come out, subscribe to our channel and give us a like on this video. Thanks for watching.